You got that? What was that shiver about?
I wasn't filming until now.
You know how much you miss?
I know. All right. There we go. I didn't know that it wasn't already on. Jacob, what are you eating? What are you eating? Is that apple?
Jacob.
Is that an apple?
Where's it going? Where's it going, Jacob? Where'd it go? Doesn't matter. Somebody will clean it up.
That's right. You.
Yeah. I am.
That's right.
I love it. You can't have it from the floor. Concentrate on what's in your tray. That's a Zeta. Jacob, eat. Eat. There you go. In the mouth. In the mouth. I love the way the mouth opens first.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.